Hey guys, welcome back. So we wrapped up on this beautiful 2009 Blackjack. Now this boat was a major restoration. Now we completely went through this entire outside of the hull to completely restore it. I mean, completely took all of the oxidation off, and even underneath the boat we completely removed all of the oxidation. Now we also replaced the windshield, the exterior decals. The motor cowling was in really terrible shape, so we went ahead and repainted that. We also repainted the side pieces that was on it, and also the middle section. So not only doing that, we also did our metal polishing all the way around the vessel. It really turned out phenomenal. And then we actually coated the entire inside of the vessel as well as coating the outside of it all the way underneath the entire boat. So be sure to check out the video. We'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.